What's going on, guys? We're back. Sorry it took so long to get another video out on Gabe's truck, but it is finally done, and I'm gonna show you guys, everything we did and the finished product. All right, guys, so as you know, we've had Gabe's truck here for the past, I don't know, like 8 months. It's been a long time. It was a very, very hard build, and we did a lot to it. So first, what I'm gonna do is go over the engine bay here, everything we did under there and all that cool stuff, and then we'll get into the good stuff, the G56 swap, which is what you guys are here for. The engine bay wise, we removed the passenger side battery. We relocated that to the frame rail. We use an Optima red top for that. Then you can see here we have our billet valve cover, our coolant tube, our brake fluid reservoir cover, billet cap, billet power steering cap, billet fuse box cover, and then our valets. All right, guys, let's hop inside here. I'll show you the billet center console that we've been working on for the past couple months, and I think you guys are gonna like it. All right, guys, so we have the factory console here. We have our shifter that we designed, and basically this whole billet center console. This was a team effort with us and Kingspeed. If you guys don't know who Kingspeed is, they make some awesome billet parts. We work with them very, very closely. So anyway, they designed this billet center console for us. We got a shift boot here, custom made by Stitch Boots, that matches the leather on the seats here. And then all the linkage underneath was fabbed by me. And basically this allows you to be able to shift this truck as if it was like a sports car. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, and then all the way over is reverse. So you can pretty much sit here when you're going down the road in first, second, third, fourth, all that good stuff. So it shifts almost like a sports car, and it's very much not a sports car. Then we have some accent lighting around the sides here. Underneath the alligator skin is the factory wireless charger, and then we have the other factory 110 volt outlet right here. So this thing came out really, really well. Chase at Kingspeed was able to give us some awesome Western engraving on here to complement the Laramie Longhorn Edition truck. All right, guys, so here's a look under the dash here. I just pulled this panel back. We can't show you too much of the electrical side of this because it's all run throughout the truck. The main thing here, you guys saw in the previous videos, we had Dale working on all the electrical, which he is here today, and I'm gonna have him kind of go through and give you guys a little bit more in-depth explanation, but we're not gonna go too in-depth because you guys will have no idea. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown of that and we'll kick it from there. Throughout this build, we had a lot of different ideas with the electrical. A lot of stuff changed throughout. We learned new things, found things we didn't know about. Some things were easier than we thought, some things were harder than we thought. But overall, basically what we did was use a tool to pull data off of the CAN system, and basically we recorded all those IDs and messages. And again, Dale's gonna go more into depth on this. Basically, it takes all of that information. We recorded all of that and then figured out pretty much like when you shift the truck to drive, what message pops up on the CAN system going out to all your other ECUs, your engine ECU, ABS ECU, all of that. And they all work together. So like this, again, is a AS69RC truck. So it has a factory TCM that is completely unplugged and removed right now. And our module is plugged in and basically sends all the necessary information to all the other ECUs on board the truck to keep it happy. We have cruise control working. When you clutch in, cruise control kicks off as it should. It reads drive going down the road. It reads park, reverse, and neutral. All of that's coded in and it works absolutely flawlessly. And another big thing to note is there's a huge misconception with people who think they know about G56 swapping 5th gens, and is 100% not done with tuning. It is not possible. So this truck is tuned as a regular factory ASIN truck, and any tune that ever gets put on it from here on out will still be for a regular factory ASIN truck. There's absolutely nothing to do with tuning, and it is 100% our module that is running this truck and allowing everything to work properly. That ends this episode of I'm trying that shit again. Hey, just try it. Go get the Let's go. Wow, that's a pretty freaking nice shop here. There it is. Oh! Wow! Holy shit. Here, you can hold this, but I'm not gonna be able to hold this straight. Why is it so clean? Well, he cleaned it a lot. I detailed it last week. He had him detail it. Then it fucking rained. Had to do it again. And then again. Twice. We detailed it a few times. Oh my god. So, yeah, turns out we weren't able to do it like everyone else in the world said.
Oh my god.
Tired as shit. Yeah, I was knocked out on the whole ride.
Oh yeah. I think so. Over and up is first, down second, and then for all the way to 6, and then to get to reverse, there's a descent. So short of a
that short?
Yes.
I threw it forward.
It is a little harder to shift. But yeah, no, it okay. Oh my god! It rolled coal! That's a cop!
Immediately or police will be dispatched.
I'm putting 93 in my truck just because of you.
What's up, guys? We got a couple $1,000 here and 1100 horsepower third gen. You guys can win. I know you guys haven't seen my ugly face in a while. It's been about a year. We've been G56 swapping the world's first 5th gen for the man himself up here.
Fucking sick.
So anyway, guys, you want the baddest street truck and probably one of the baddest trucks to be given away, hop on fullsenddiesel.com and get entered.